long legs. Kipper had a shock. He saw 2 big feet and long legs. "What big feet?" said Kipper. "What long legs?" "It's a clown on stilts," said Dad. "2 clowns on stilts," said Kipper. One clown was juggling 6 balls. "Fantastic," said Kipper. The other clown was juggling 6 rings. The clown bent down and shook Kipper's hand. "How do you do?" he said. "I am well, thank you," said Kipper. On the way back, the wind blew Dad's hat up into a tree. "We will need long legs to get it down," said Kipper. A man lent Dad a stick. "No good, I can't get it," said Dad. Kipper got on Dad's back. "I still can't get it," he said. Kipper ran back to the clowns. "Can you get Dad's hat?" he said. "I am tall, but I can't get it," said the clown. The other clown lifted him up. "This will do it," she said. She put him on the clown's back. "Now, I can get it," said Kipper. "It's a long way up," said Dad. "It's a long way down," said Kipper.